Hello, this is the tutorial on how to install Kaidos and Python onto a clean Linux virtual machine. Please type the command sudo apt-get install python 3 in order to install the latest version of Python onto this Linux machine. Now you must use the command sudo apt-get update in order to update the latest version of your virtual machine. Enter the command sudo apt-get upgrade. Now enter the command sudo apt-get install libpython3-dev in order to install the dependency package of Python. Now type the command sudo apt-get install python3-venv in order to install the Python virtual environment package. Now type the command sudo apt-get install curl in order to install the curl package. Now type the command sudo apt-get install python3-pip in order to install the Python pip tool. Now type the command make directory kaidos test in order to create a directory in this machine called kaidos test. Enter the command pip3 install -- upgrade pip setup tools wheel in order to upgrade the necessary Python packages. Now change your directory to be inside of the Kaidos test folder. Now enter the command to download the Kaidos onto the machine. These commands can all be found on our installation guide. Enter the command sudo kaitos d in order to start running Kaitos in background mode. Enter the following command in the terminal to install the necessary Kaitos network applications, also called napps. Again, these commands can be found in our installation guide. If for any reason any of these installation fails, please type the command again and try again. Enter the following command, kaitos napps list, in order to check the status of the kaitos napps installed. They should all be installed correctly. Enter the command sudo apt-get install mininet in order to install mininet onto the machine. Type the command sudo mn-test ping all in order to test if mininet was installed correctly. If you get *** done, then that means mininet was installed correctly. Type the command sudo ss-tunnel p. This checks all the running processes in the machine. Take note of the ID that is given for Kaitos SD. In this case, it's 10003. This PID could change from system to system. PID means process ID. Next, type the command sudo kill-n 10003. The 1003 again could change from system to system. And again, this is the Kaitos process ID. Enter the command from before again, and you must check to make sure that Kaitos is not running on the machine. Thank you again for watching this installation Kaitos tutorial.